In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can delete all watch later videos from YouTube at once. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is first of all, you're going to make sure that you have this extension. It's called YT Watch Later Assist. It's totally free. You can get it as an extension on your Chrome Web Store. So once we've gotten it, as you can see, we're all set to go. Now what you do is you come to your YouTube's watch later list, okay? And we're simply going to wait for it to load up. Now, once it's loaded up, you can see the YouTube Watch Later Assist gives us this. So you can simply go ahead and click on Remove All Videos. And there we are. There you have it. All your watch laters are going to be gone. So the removal has started and it will go ahead and slowly, delete all the videos. And there you can see they are gone. And it's even going to show you how many videos are remaining, how many are removed. So that is pretty much about it. That is how you can delete all watch later videos from YouTube. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.